Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in case you're new here, my name is Zach. Yeah, in case you're new here, my name is Zach Daniel, and today I'm going to be fitting some shoes. So for the first 7 pairs are from my collection, but then I just want to add them in my shoes, whatever. Those, I don't know what they say, but I just want to add them to be part of my shoes. So the rest of the pairs I'm just going to fit them, and most of them are boots that they were shipped I think like 2 months ago, and now today I'm going just to fit on those that I have with me here. And I have a microphone. 1 2 1 2. So let's start fitting, and then let me know your thoughts down there, what you think about the shoes. And in case you have a question, that just let me know. I'm going to start with the ones that I usually sell, but these ones are mine. Then the next ones that I'll be fitting, they'll be those ones are just mine. I also wanted to add them in my collection. These are one of them. I'll first start with these ones, and this is this size, but I have a really big leg, so I'm going to fit them. So this is the first type from my collection, and the thing I like about this is that it's thick and you cannot you just wear them wherever you want, and they're very comfy and beautiful. So don't worry about my nails, I'm going to make them. So let's go to the second pair. So this is how the second pair looks like, and I also love these ones because they're comfy, you can wear anywhere. And I also like the holographic the holographic effect, and don't mind my legs. So let's go to the third pair. So this is the third type, and the good thing I like about them is that they have blocked heels and they are too comfortable. And then I like the fact that this is clear, so you can wear it with either trousers or dress. And let me know what you think, guys, down there. And so this is how they look. This is the fourth pair, and I think it's one of my best of all. Just see, they're stilettos, and the fact that you are able to adjust in any way. Right here you can wear it with a dress, or you just a trousers or some tight jumpsuit. So I really love this one. Tell me what you think. Let me know down there on the comment section. I have my fifth pair, and I just like the fact that they are comfortable and rubber. You can just wear them anywhere that you go, and you can put them with anything: skirt, hair denim skirt, jeans, you feel me? Shirt, dress, whatever we may like to put on. Sixth pair, and I also like the fact that it's multicolored and blocked, so they're very comfortable, and you're able to walk with them, go with them somewhere. And you can also dress them with a dress, like put on a dress, or you can put on a trousers or tights. Tell me what you think about them, and let me know down there on the comment section. Please don't laugh, okay? Hii hapa hupapa humehang hapa. This one doesn't fit me, so if you're interested, let me know. If you're interested, let me know. It's size 41, and I'm selling it at 2,500. So let me know, guys. It's holographic, and I'm really feeling painful about it. Just see. Even these ones, they don't fit. I can't dare to put my feet in these shoes because hizi za mtoto aki. But if they fit you size 38, 39, just let me know. It's 38, I think. Let me know. I will sell it at 2,500. So these are the last pair from my collection, and I like the fact that they are warm inside and you can wear it with anything. So if you are a person who is really outgoing, you just don't care, you wear them. Msiniambie viatu za kulala juu hizo zikai kulaliwa. Hapana. These are shoes. Okay? See at the bottom how they look. Yeah. So now guys, I'm starting the second try on. These ones are just the ones that I had shipped for myself. Yeah, so these ones I'm going to fit them, and I am really happy that it's winter. Lakini huko tunanga winter, tunajuanga tu mvua inanyesha, like it's rainy right now. So I'm going to try them on, and hey, self-love is very important. I have been working until I don't even have time for myself, like dressing up and everything. But from now on, even I have shoes that I've never worn, but I'll look for some. Maybe I'll just do a giveaway. If I get some that I can give away, and I think I'll get some, I'll just give away, and I'm doing a video on it. So stay tuned guys, because there's also a next time, like I have a try on for my wardrobe, like the dresses. I'm basically changing almost everything. And then for the hair and the facial, you guys please subscribe down there and don't go away guys. Okay, so let's go on this next try on. So these are among those that I want to try them on. These are all the pairs that I want to try them on guys. Let's see then. So this is my first pair of the boots. I hope you are very pressure. So yeah, I like them, the fact that they are comfortable and the block, so I can wear them with some short whatever, and I just feel like now I'm feeling like a model, excuse me. Yeah, so I like the suede, and they are very warm. So let's head to the next pair. So this is the second type of the boots. Yeah, I like these ones as well. They're black, you can just match them with anything. Yeah guys, so let's head to another pair. Let me know what you think about the shoes. It is summer, we have summer in Kenya. Yani kuna baridi, hiyo ndio tunaita summer. Kumenyesha kavumbi kameenda. Yeah, so let's head to the next pair. Yeah, so this is the last pair of the boots. Yeah, and I like, they're comfy as well, and they're zipped there. You can adjust them from here. Just all the boots that I have put on, you can adjust them. So I am very comfortable. They can put them on with some trousers. Yeah, so that's it for the boots. Let's go to the... These are the next pair of shoes, just for chilling in the house. Yeah, and maybe I can go with them somewhere like the shop and all that. So I like them now that they are comfy. Yeah, don't mind my nails. If you say anything about my nails, I will scratch you. Hey. Yeah, so let's go to the next ones. So now you can call me for an official meeting. I have these mustard heels here, and they're too comfortable, and they are sharpshooters here, shooting. So yeah, hey, my legs though. Let's go to the next pair. This is my next pair, and the cheetah print, the snake print, it's a snake print. They're also blocked. Yeah, so this is how they looked. I just like the fact that it has this transparent stripe here. This thing. Yeah, so let's go to the next one, and now I can sit like a boss. Hi. So So this is the next pair, and yeah, they're just basic and simple. Yeah, so I didn't have a gray pair of heels, so now I've added this one on them. And yeah, so these are the second last pair, and I'm happy. I'm adding, most of my shoes are usually sport shoes, so as you also like, I only have this one type of sport shoes that I have added on my other shoes. I really like them. I love them. Yeah, so I had thought they'll be big, but my leg is big as well, so they're fitting. So these are my last nimevaa combo. So guys, this is the last pair of shoes. Sasa hizi ndio za nyumba. They're really warm inside, and now the fact that kuna like there's cold right now in Nairobi, sasa naeza, I can rock them. Yeah, I just added 16 pairs of shoes to some of those that I had. Amen. Yeah, so I really thank God for my boyfriend. My boyfriend sent them. Yeah, and I am really humble. So thank you very much for watching. We are done with the video. Until next time, guys, I'll see you again when you are trying on some clothes as well. I really have like loads of things here. Like those ones are for the head, like the hair and the face. I'll just unbox them, and then I'll make sure I have a giveaway. Even here there are some that are there. These ones are the clothes here, and then here are some things as well. So we'll unbox and do some giveaway. Okay.